Hey, good morning. This is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets, driving while talking about markets. We've got to focus today on geopolitical tensions. Hamas launched the most horrific, savage terrorist attack, pogrom, on Israel last Saturday the 7th of October, murdering, raping, killing over 1,300 innocent people. As a result of that, Israel has now drafted all of its reserves. It's got over 370,000 reserves being drafted, split between Gaza and the north. Hamas is in Gaza. Hamas runs Gaza. Israel is now going to invade Gaza and take out Hamas, which is the extreme Islamic jihadist organization terrorist group run by Iran, proxy of the Ayatollah Khomeini regime in Iran, the number one global sponsor of terrorism. However, Iran has other proxies. One of them is Hezbollah, run by Nasrallah in Lebanon. And Lebanon will attack Israel. Hezbollah will attack Israel from the north. So Israel will have two fronts, one in Gaza, one in the north. Then Iran will attack Israel with attack drones, which have supplied to Russia the same style of attack drones that will look to wreak havoc on Israel. So Israel will have three fronts: Iran, Lebanon, and Gaza. In addition to that, Iran will probably operate from Syria, which is in the Golan Heights, and that's another front that's likely to be opened. So the US 6th Fleet is in the Mediterranean off the coast of Israel. The USS Eisenhower has now joined that force in anticipation of an attack by Iran and Hezbollah. So the US will get involved. This will have an immediate impact on prices in the stock market and assets and commodities. Oil, as I mentioned, will go up and continue going up. It's already gone up since last week. Brent crude will run to $100 a barrel, probably go to $110 near term. Gold is at 1932. I said buy it at 1813, 1820. It's likely to go up now to 2000, 2050 if the war develops or widens in the Middle East. If Israel finishes off Hamas and that's it, you'll see gold pull back, you'll see oil pull back initially. That's highly unlikely because Iran's not going to allow Hamas or Hezbollah, its two main proxies, to be wiped out by Israel. So you could end up having a whole development of a conflagration, a war within the Middle East, and that is going to push equity markets down, going to push bond prices up. The yield on US 10-year treasuries will fall as a result of the rise in bond prices. And you can expect equity markets, the Dow, the S&P and the Nasdaq, to fall significantly if that war develops, and the likelihood is that the war will develop. We are talking about extreme jihadist Islamic ideology that is not going to walk away. This is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets. You can share, subscribe, also follow me on Instagram. Have a great day. Keep on smiling. Everything will be fine in the end. Catch you later.